15 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, conditions continue to go downhill over a good chunk of the viewing area. They're going to bottom out later on tonight, early tomorrow morning. The snow wrapping in around our storm with all that wind. And boy, where you see these greens with this NextRad data, that is some pretty heavy snow up here in Fulton, Pulaski, Newton and Jasper County, where some of the northern areas have already had almost 5 inches of snow. Even reports of over 4 inches in even some areas of Benton County. It's pretty heavy snow mown on to just west of Royal Center. Not a whole lot going on in Logansport or Peru right now, just blowing snow there. Same thing at Kokomo, but it's snowing gangbusters here from Monticello and Chalmers down to Battleground, the city of Lafayette, Kentland, Goodland. Heavy band of snow from near Klondike southward. I'd say just to the southwest of Shadeland, that's some pretty heavy snow, and it's snowing pretty steadily at Attica, and that band goes all the way down towards Crawfordsville and also Darlington, though it's a little lighter here near Covington. But the back edge of the snow is now over central Illinois, and it will gradually work its way eastward as we go into the early morning hours of Friday. Visibility is still way down on our Renaissance cam downtown Lafayette, the snow falling and also the snow that's blowing around. The texture is increasingly dry and powdery as the temperature continues to fall. 4.2 inches reported near Kentland. Rensselaer, we've had almost 5 towards Morocco, measured 3 here at the station, almost 3 from Candy at Chalmers, and 2.5 in southern Tippecanoe County, 2.5 near Attica, and now over 3, actually almost 3.5 inches at Fallon. Temperatures are in the teens now, generally low to mid-teens area wide, and with the low temperatures, the gusty winds, the wind chills -4. Here at the station, -7 at Fowler, -3 Attica. Some places will drop to -10 overnight, and the peak wind gusts so far up to 39 miles an hour. Rensselaer, Fowler, 33 miles an hour at Lafayette, 37 at Burlington. Again, whiteout conditions, a real problem tonight and early tomorrow morning, but then just a mostly cloudy day. The snow will tend to pull away, but there's still going to be at least a little lake effect hanging on in our northeast, hence the 25 and 20% coverage tomorrow afternoon, but still windy. Even with the snow stopping over a good chunk of the viewing area, it's going to be cold, and there will still be blowing snow. So bottoming out with the travel conditions overnight, very low wind chills, but the good news is the snow largely ending over the viewing area tomorrow morning. Again, lows tonight about 10 to 13 degrees, 12 Lafayette, 11 Monticello, 11 Kentland. Tomorrow, not much better, about 15 to 20 for the high. Wind chills still way low, near 0 to slightly below that. 19 for the high Lafayette, 18 at Winamac and Monticello and Chalmers. And then tomorrow night with some clearing, 4 to 9, 6 Lafayette for the low, 6 Monticello, 5 Remington, and all the way down to 7 at Frankfort. There's the heavy snow, heavier snow band starting to pull away with time. There's 4, there's 8, and finally there's 11. The snow pulling out of here, but notice in the afternoon still some lake effect lingering in our northeast. Snowfall totals probably in the Lafayette area, probably closer to 4 the way it looks now. We've already got 3. 4 to 5 Monticello, Logansport, Peru, up to 6 here, Winamac, Rensselaer, and we could get a 7-inch amount north of Rochester, whereas towards Crawfordsville, Covington, more like 2.5, 3 inches down that way. So 7-day forecast, there's the 19 tomorrow, the 26 Saturday, and Saturday evening, Saturday night, we could get some at least light sleet and snow as little clipper slides through, a little minor accumulation, and believe it or not, rain. Rain early next week before the temperature falls again and we get a little bit more snow Tuesday night, Wednesday, Dan.
It just doesn't stop. I guess we're finally here in winter.
That's
well,
right.
Bad news if you had to be out on the roads today, and bad news if you're a fan of either